Secure your future with the top 5 safest dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a wise approach to accumulate wealth while obtaining a steady stream of income. However, not all dividend stocks are made equal, and some are riskier than others. Here are the top 5 safest dividend stocks to consider for your portfolio that will assist you in making a wise investment decision. By the way, these are not in any particular order. And with that said, let's start off with number 1, Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is a well-known brand known for its dedication to healthcare. The company has a long track record of stability, making it a really safe bet for income investors. J&J's diverse business, which includes medicines, consumer health goods, and medical equipment, provide a solid base for dividend payments to be consistent. J&J is a dependable alternative for income and growth, with a robust balance sheet and a history of increasing dividends for over 5 decades. Number 2 on the list is Procter & Gamble. This consumer goods company is another blue chip stock that belongs to the elite category of dividend aristocrats. The corporation has a portfolio of consumer products that are household staples around the world. Procter & Gamble's business stays resilient in diverse economic times due to its focus on products such as cleaning supplies, personal care items, and hygiene products. Their dividend track record spans 6 decades, making them a solid bet for long-term investors looking for consistent income. Number 3 on the list is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a worldwide beverage conglomerate with a significant influence in the non-alcoholic beverage market. Coca-Cola, Sprite, and Fanta, among other renowned brands, have established themselves as market leaders. Coca-Cola's long-term popularity and regular cash flows have enabled the company to maintain an exceptional dividend history. Coca-Cola is a really well-known brand for income investors seeking consistency. Number 4 here today, numero cuatro, is going to be McDonald's Fast Food Corporation. McDonald's is the world's largest fast food corporation with a global presence. The company's strong business model and brand awareness make it a reliable dividend investment. McDonald's has also grown its dividends continuously over the years, making it a dividend aristocrat with a track record of dividend growth. McDonald's is well positioned for the future, thanks to an emphasis on innovation and adapting to changing consumer tastes. And at number 5, we have Colgate-Palmolive. Colgate-Palmolive is a multinational consumer goods corporation best known for its oral care, personal care, and home care products. The company's solid brand portfolio, which includes Colgate toothpaste, Palmolive soap, and Ajax cleansers, serves as a solid platform for steady income creation. Colgate-Palmolive has a history of paying dividends and increasing them on a regular basis, making it a really solid bet for income investors seeking both safety and future growth. So remember guys, investing in dividend-paying companies is a great method to ensure a consistent income stream while also potentially benefiting from capital appreciation. Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and Colgate-Palmolive are the top 5 safest dividend-paying stocks featured here today. They're going to provide you with 3 things. They're going to provide you with stability, long-term growth potential, and a history of reliable dividend payments. However, guys, please keep in mind that all investments involve some level of risk. So do your research and evaluate your financial goals before making any investing decisions. Diversifying your portfolio and obtaining financial advice can help you improve your investing strategy and eventually accomplish your financial goals. Don't just go around listening to random guys on YouTube. With that being said, guys, if you want to go in depth on any of the stocks we mentioned here today, feel free to drop me a comment down below. Let me know which stock you want to get into, and I'd be more than happy to have an in-depth dive into any one of them. Aside from that, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.